having a proper photographer desk setup is essential for productivity and focus. 1. Choose the right desk. It must have space for your monitor and photography gear while leaving ample room for other items. The L-shaped desk with 2 spacious work areas facilitates multitasking and better meets your needs as a photographer. The standing desk can be raised when you're tired of sitting, allowing you to work while on your feet. The corner desk is assembled with IKEA cabinets and a desktop, and is simple to implement. 2. Choose an ergonomic chair. An inferior chair can cause you to develop bad posture, in turn leading to back, shoulder, and neck pains, significantly hindering your efficiency. The adjustable headrest. The height of the headrest can be adjusted over a range of 2.36 inches. In addition, it can be tilted up and down to suit individual needs. Seat adjustment handles. Adjust the height of the seat by lifting paddle R1 located to the right-hand side of the chair. Adjust the tilt resistance of the backrest by turning knob R2. Adjust the seat position by lifting paddle L1 located to the left-hand side of the chair. Turn knob L2 counterclockwise to unlock the backrest. The practical feet with casters. The 5 feet are each equipped with multi-directional casters that allow the chair to be moved quickly and quietly. 3. Use a well-calibrated and accurate monitor for photo editing. The dual computer screen configuration makes it more convenient to edit video or images. A high-quality monitor with high resolution lets you work more efficiently by allowing you to view images in clear detail. 4. Storage considerations. Every shoot requires different camera lenses, so you need to properly store them to make them easier to find. Desk drawers or file cabinets can be handy storage options. You likely have multiple hard disk drives or solid-state drives to store and back up all of your photos. You can label them by date, event, year, or by your personal preference. 5. Light up your workspace properly. This is critical, as lighting can directly affect the results of your work. You should avoid direct light on your editing monitor. One light fixture currently being endorsed for photo editing workspaces is a backlight or bias light. These fixtures go behind your computer display, illuminating the area around it. It lessens the strain on your eyes while increasing the image's perceptive contrast. It has an alluring look as well. Working from home offers you the opportunity to design an office that's uniquely yours. If you enjoy working in your special office space, it'll motivate you to accomplish any task.